Alright, so your Nutribullet RX, the gear drive giving trouble, right? So this is the gear drive and this giving trouble. Now this very free. See how free it is? Very free. Right, so the reason why this free is because after using many times over and over, this does wear down. Right, so the gear drive does wear down, right? And this is the gear drive. Right, so this is the gear drive. This made up of plastic, hard plastic and aluminum. Right, so the gear teeth is the aluminum and the rest of it is plastic. So using regular, right, constantly using, the plastic does wear down. So it does wear down and the shaft, it'll be too free on the shaft. Right, so when you screen up this now, remember this, you screw up this anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise is tightening and clockwise is slackening. Alright, so you just screw it up anti-clockwise. Alright, so I'll screw it up and get back to you, right? Alright, so to tighten this, you have to open the whole body inside, right? The whole housing. The hole here with the pliers, one end, and tighten the other end. So I'll take out this piece. Alright, so you move the fan. Alright, so then one side with the pliers. So you're holding one end with pliers, on the other end and screwing up. Right, so it's screwed up enough. And that is about it. Alright, so I'll put back this together and show you after, right? Alright, so I'll put back everything together and now it's time to test out. Alright, so this is the old one that was wobbling, and this is the new one. Alright, so working good. So whenever this given problem, whenever your Nutribullet given problem, the drive gear, right? So the drive gear have to change. So don't throw away it. It could be replaced. Once again, parts for it you could fix. Alright, so that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Alright, so thanks for watching all my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, leave a comment below. Until next time, Mr. Fix It 360 saying good luck with all your repairs.